Annyeonghaseyo students.
안녕하세요.
So, welcome to our monthly activities. First, we have the financial literacy. So, when we say financial literacy, sige balik-balik ni Teacher Pam. Unsa man ang meaning sa financial literacy be? Anyone? Okay, ako na lang. So, financial literacy means being smart about money. So, being smart kuno. So, being maalamon ta sa atong kwarta. Like, having a guide to show, to save. Unsa man ang save? Unsaon pagtigom, unsaon pag-spend, paggasto, and use, or paggamit sa atong kwarta wisely. So, dili ta pataka o gasto sa atong kwarta. So, mauna ang meaning sa financial literacy. So, kaalam kung saan paggamit, pag-save o pag-spend sa money. So, why kids struggle to save money? First, anong mag-struggle man ang mga kids? First, illiteracy. So, walay kaalam ang mga kids about. Next is the dental hygiene. So, what is dental hygiene? Dental hygiene, the maintenance of teeth and gums in healthy condition, especially by proper brushing and removal at plaque and etc. So, mauna ang meaning sa dental hygiene. Ang sakto kunong pag-maintain sa ngipon o sa gums para ma-healthy siya nga condition. Especially sa pag-brush o pag-remove sa mga plaque sa atong ngipon. Why is dental hygiene important? So, ngano kuno importante ang dental hygiene? Kaya ang taong why dental hygiene, without good oral hygiene, germs can reach levels that may lead to infection, such as tooth decay and gum disease. So, kung dili dita magkuan sa atong mag-akatar sa atong dental hygiene, so maka-cause na siya infection. Sama ng tooth decay o gum disease. So, next, we have the fire extinguisher. So, unsa man ang fire extinguisher? Una, gamito nato kung nay sunog simbako. So, mauna siya first aid nato nga magamit na dito sa tong study room. So, anytime pwede dito nato kuhaon if in case na ay kanang simbako lang in town. Kanang naay sunog sa atong village, pwede dito nato siya makuha dito anytime. So, sa paggamit sa kung unsa nang extinguisher is a safety device used to put out fires before the spread. It is important to know how to use to ensure easily accessible in homes, schools, and workplace. So, always remember nato nga naa siya kanang method unsaon paggamit sa fire extinguisher. First, you have to remember the word pass. So, ang pass is first, pull. Pull the safety pin or tag out the extinguisher, framing it to use. Next, aim. Always aim at the base of the fire to break the fire triangle. You need to aim the source of the fire where the fuel is not at flame. So, kung naadiri ang sunog, next is recipes for good manners. So, unsa man ang good manners? Ang maayong pamatasan. So, good manners and good habits are essential life skills that enhance our overall personality. And the best time to instill these life skills during our childhood. A child with good manners and good habits will grow up to become more confident individuals. So, ang bata kuno nga naay maayong pamatasan, maayo nga influence or good role model. Para nako kung ang bata naay maayong pamatasan, nindot yun na siya nga imong i-barkada. Kay kung makabarkada kag dili nga maayo nga impluwensya, so nasa time nga murag matakdan ka sa iyang bad nga mga attitude. So saying polite words, usa na siya sa good manners. Unsa man tong mga polite words? Thank you. You're welcome. Sa pa? Please. O, excuse me. Mauna siya ang interaction nato nga ginagamit kada adlaw. Mauna siya ang mga polite words nga ginagamit yun nato nga interaction kada adlaw. Sunod, ang greetings sa others. So kasagaran karon panagsa na kayo mga bata, mangayo og katahuran. We have this morning our sex education. So I let you watch a video for this one.
Puberty. That's right, boys and girls, puberty. It's a lot like having your brain taken over by a zombie virus. Your face breaks out. You start to smell weird. You're silver lining. The exact same thing is happening to everyone around you. Today we're doing a slightly different podcast that also happens to be a selfie. We're going to explain what's actually happening in your body and, more importantly, mind. Because right now, you're probably feeling like something else is working the gears. Today, we're taking you inside puberty. Hey, listen, what your mind and body are going through right now is definitely not nothing. In fact, it's a big freaking deal. Your brain is pumping out chemicals but why? Basically, your brain is trying to help the rest of you grow up. In fact, according to researchers at Michigan State University, during puberty, your brain's job is to create new cells that help you properly transition into being an adult. These cells are created in the amygdala, the part of the brain that helps you handle social situations. So, yeah, these are the kind of cells you're going to need as you're going through middle school, high school, and dealing with all the other stuff in between. The other thing your brain is doing, it's flooding your body with hormones.
Eyes on the board. Naadire kay ang circle is diameter is 6 meter. Dayon akong gipangayo niyo finding the area of circle using pi. So ang formula sa circle is area equals pi radius squared. So I'm asking the pi. So pi equals 3.14. So area equals 3.14. Dayon, i-multiply siya. So, diameter man ni, pila may radius aning 6 meter is 3. So, you are going to multiply by itself. So, area equals 3.14. 3 times 3 equals 9. So, ang outcome diri is 3.14 times 9 equals 28.26 squared meter. Kuha libog. Kaya naanad man ta diri sa area equals kuan pi radius squared. So atong kuha ang pi para maanad mo sa pi, dili lang sa katong simple nga kuan. Kaya kung ari ta sa pi, our area nga dito nga kuan, 3 times 3 equals 9. So 9 meters squared na siya. So akong ipangayo is pi. The pi is equivalent to
Annyeonghaseyo, everyone.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Obviously, today is our monthly activity talking about the topics with regards to the good manners, saving money, fire extinguisher, as well as the dental hygiene. So don't you worry, I already discussed sa L1. So of course, kamo sa L2 atong i-discuss about ano itong monthly activity. Am I clear?
Yes.
Okay. So, I want you to read the following definition of each, and later on, I will discuss and translate it into Visayan language for you to understand it better. Am I clear?
Yes.
Let's start. Go.
Good manners are polite and respectful behaviors that show consideration for others, such as saying please and thank you, listening when others speak, and being kind. They help build positive relationships and create of security. Practicing budgeting and spending wisely are key to saving effectively. Fire extinguisher is a safety device used to put.
So now, students, since we already tackled all about the good manners as well as saving money, so let's proceed to the fire extinguisher as well as the dental hygiene. So please read the fire extinguisher. Go.
Fire extinguisher is a safety device used to put out small fires before they spread. It is important to know how to use one and ensure it is easily accessible in homes, schools, and workplaces.
Okay, so when we say fire extinguisher, usa siya ka safety device. So, para magamit ato in case of emergency para dili mo spread or mokatag ang gamay nga kayo. Okay? But if dili na ginato makonquer sa fire extinguisher, kay napikihan na sa oras or wala na bantayan ang small fire, so dapat na juta manawag og bombero. Then dili ta dapat magpanic. No? So, accessible kaayo ang atong fire extinguisher diri sa study room. So, as you can see, naa dito dapat nato gibutang atong fire extinguisher. So, am I clear?
Yes.
Okay. Knowledgeable na ba ang saan?
Fire extinguisher.
Fire extinguisher.
Fire extinguisher. Dental hygiene.
Okay, so as you read the following definition of each topics, I am going to translate it into Visayan language for you to understand it better. Am I clear?
Yes.
Okay, let's start. Go.
Good manners are polite and respectful behaviors that show consideration for others, such as saying please and thank you, listening when others speak, and being kind. They help build
It is not positive but positive.
positive relationships and
Create
create a harmonious environment.
Okay, so when we say good manners, of course, mo, tahod. Okay, then also, through action as well as saying, dapat mag-coincide sila naa sa buhat as well as naapod sa pagpang-istorya. So, magic word is, moingon tag please, moingon tag thank you. Annyeonghaseyo everyone.
Annyeonghaseyo.
Okay, so our topic for this morning is all about the area of figures. So obviously, I already discussed the area of triangle, the area of square, the area of circle, as well as the area of rectangle. So what are the formula of the following? So the area of triangle, unsay formula? A equals
BH over 2.
Okay, so 1/2 BH, or you can use BH over 2. How about the area of square?
A equals S squared.
How about the area of circle?
A equals pi r squared.
And of course, the rectangle.
A equals length times width.
Okay, so now let's start our activity. Since you already know the formula, let's start. For the area of triangle, if the base is 6 meters and the height is 8 meters, what will be the area of this triangle? Again, if the area of triangle atong isolve, no. So if the base is 6 meters, the students pag-solve, and the height is 8 meters, what will be the area of triangle for this question? Okay. So, arita ni Joanna. Sige. Okay, students. Annyeonghaseyo.
Annyeonghaseyo.
So, for today, let's have our activity called Time Conversion Activity. Are you ready?
Yes.
Okay, now, let's start. So, it's all about time, of course. And we're going to have a conversion. So, question number 1. In 1 minute, how many seconds? Very good. So, sa usa ka minute, pila ka seconds?
60.
Okay, 60 seconds. Good job. Next. Proceed to the next group. Next students, I mean. In 1 hour, how many seconds? Very good. So, usa ka oras, 3,600 seconds. Good job. Next, students. In 1 day, how many seconds? Okay, still see green mark. Very good. So, 86,400 seconds. Let's have the next student. So, nagnosara. Okay, Rina. In 1 hour, how many minutes? Line mo balik students kay magkuan mo. Kinsay mo partner ni Rina.
Ako, teacher.
Sige. Sige na no, kanang line na mo dito sa loyo. Line na. Sige na, line students. Okay, line na. Continue. Pag